our Unity Prayer Service for May 2022. I invite you to get quiet and still, to close your eyes if you're comfortable to do so, as we turn our attention gently inward in this time of prayer and meditation. As we carve out a space and time for prayer, we practice a rhythm that is natural to us. There is action, then rest, activity, then stillness, inflowing breath, then outgoing breath. The steady rhythm of the universe is our assurance of ever-present God, good. We are one with the rhythm, one with God in prayer. One with God, I am calm and confident. One with God, I am calm and confident. After every outgoing breath, I breathe in again. Without hurry or struggle, I slip into the rhythm of universal peace, where my concerns are cushioned in harmony. I am one with the God of peace and harmony in prayer. Centered in divine order, I am responsive in every moment. Centered in divine order, I am responsive in every moment. May I recognize a stunning order within the ebb and flow of life. When I have questions about my life and circumstances, I softly attune to the rhythm of life and learn of the steady, sure guidance that is ever flowing. One with the God of order and wisdom, I listen in the silence. By spiritual strength, I live in the truth of my wholeness. By spiritual strength, I live in the truth of my wholeness. Knowing that my mind is one with divine mind, I stand strong and steady through periods of discord, disease, or disillusionment. I do not allow these temporary conditions to define or limit me. Instead, I stand strong in knowledge of my great nature that is one with God. Now in prayer. My good is assured as I rejoice in divine abundance. My good is assured as I rejoice in divine abundance. God, good, is an ever-flowing river of abundance. I flow in the river through ups and downs, starts and stops of daily living. May I know that replenishment is natural and that all the good I desire is right where I am, in my next breath, in the silence. May all beings be blessed and live in peace. May all beings be blessed and live in peace. I pray in love as love for all beings. May all beings know the blessing of glorious life. May all beings thrum with the rhythm of life in an exquisite dance of harmony. May we bless one another by seeing the value and goodness within all beings, in peace, as we pray. Now, as we arise from the resting space of prayer and resume the activity of our day, we proceed consciously in the flow of life's orderly rhythm. We flow in the river of oneness with God, with good. So we close together with the unity prayer for protection. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is, and all is well. May you and your loved ones know the blessing of God as good in your lives each day. Thank you for joining us today.